Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my HTML playlist for the beginner. In this video we will discuss about what is HTML. So first of all, HTML is a hypertext markup language and it is standard markup language for creating web pages and web application. HTML friends, HTML is not a programming language. It is very easy language and you can learn very easily in a short time. If you start your career in web development, you should learn HTML is essential because it is foundation language of the web. The first coding language you need to know to succeed in web development. You must learn HTML if you want and to make a website static type. Now we discuss HTML pages are two types. First one is friend static and second one is dynamic. First we discuss what is static page in HTML. Static page, as you see in this video, I written static page as the name indicate comprise static content. In static page we only write images and text in our pages and user and nobody can interact with us. But in dynamic pages are those where the content of the web page depend on the user output. Like see when you sign up in any website, and so this is the when you sign up in any website and website get email and password from user. So this is the types of dynamic web page. For example, consider a web page which static page. Consider a web page which required a number to be entered from the user in order to find out if it is on or odd. Thanks for watching.